King Machine began operation in 1951 at the dawning of the golden age of American automobiles. From Route 66 to the interstate system, the open road beckoned to a nation in motion. By the 1960s, everybody wanted to fly. Cars took their design inspiration from rockets. The jet set soared around the globe in style. The 1970s and 1980s ushered in an era of tires put to extreme load tests, the first jumbo jets, and soon the space shuttle. Not to mention high-speed endurance motorsports competitions like NASCAR and Le Mans. Through it all, King Machine was keeping up with tire mold technology and demands. Now in the 21st century, King Machine is still rolling along, helping create and repair molds with the highest precision for some of the biggest tire manufacturers in the world. After 70 years in business, King Machine is still keeping the world rolling. King Machine, run like a well-oiled machine since 1951.